Arch Linux versus macOS. Which operating system is better? Choosing the right operating system can completely change how you experience computing without sacrificing control or ease of use. Arch Linux offers customization, macOS provides seamless integration. Arch Linux and macOS are two very different operating systems. Arch Linux is a flexible, minimal Linux distribution focused on user control and customization. macOS is a polished, user-friendly system designed for stability and seamless hardware-software integration on Apple devices. Arch Linux is a lightweight, open-source Linux distribution known for its simplicity and customization. It works on a rolling release model, continuously updating software without major version changes. Users build their system from the ground up, installing only the components they need. This approach offers maximum control and flexibility, appealing to experienced users who want to tailor their environment precisely. Arch Linux uses the Pacman package manager and the Arch user repository, providing access to a vast range of software. However, this power comes with complexity. Installation and maintenance require command line knowledge and troubleshooting skills. Arch Linux does not come with a default graphical interface, leaving that choice to the user. Its ideal users are developers, Linux enthusiasts, and those who want a deep understanding of their system and are comfortable with hands-on management. It excels in performance and customization, but may overwhelm beginners or users seeking an out-of-the-box experience. Source: https Arch. archlinux.org. Faster macOS is Apple's proprietary operating system designed exclusively for Mac hardware. It offers a polished, intuitive user interface that integrates tightly with Apple's ecosystem, including iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. macOS features a stable Unix-based foundation with regular updates that focus on security, performance, and new features. It comes preloaded with powerful creative and productivity apps, and the App Store offers a wide selection of software. The system prioritizes ease of use and consistency, with automatic hardware drivers and seamless support for peripherals. However, macOS is limited to Apple devices, which can be costly, and customization options are more restricted compared to Linux distributions. It's ideal for users who want a reliable, user-friendly experience with strong multimedia capabilities and integration across devices. Creative professionals, students, and general users benefit from macOS's out-of-the-box functionality and support. Source: https www.apple.com/macOS. Arch Linux and macOS cater to different needs. Arch Linux offers unparalleled customization and control, perfect for users who want to build their system from scratch and optimize every detail. It requires technical skill and time investment, but rewards with performance and flexibility. macOS, in contrast, delivers a seamless, stable experience with minimal setup, ideal for those who prioritize ease of use and integration with Apple hardware. In real-world use, Arch Linux excels in environments where tailored configurations and open-source software are essential, such as development and server management. macOS shines in creative workflows, daily productivity, and users invested in the Apple ecosystem. The trade-off is between freedom and complexity with Arch Linux versus convenience and hardware limitation with macOS. Choosing depends on your priorities, control and customization, or user-friendly integration. Choose Arch Linux if you want full control over your system, enjoy customization, and have the technical skills to manage a flexible, minimal operating system. macOS is the best choice for users seeking a polished, intuitive experience with strong hardware integration and reliable performance. It's especially suited for creatives and those who value simplicity and seamless connectivity across Apple devices. Your ideal OS depends on your needs and expertise.